Hey, this is Jennifer from Jentle Soaps, and today I got my box in the mail from Gypsyfae Creations. Yeah, I'm really excited. Our styles are similar, so I am really excited to see her creativity. When you take an idea and you build it with soap, it's unique and it's you, and I can't wait to see some of your artistic talent. So let's see what we've got in here. All right, so I'm at the piano bench. Let's open up. Something. Oh, so we got lots of, she sent me gilded pear sample. Ooh, everything smells really good. All right, so there's a gilded pear. Ooh, I like that. And there's a little kitty. She knows I like kitties. Gypsyfae, get 10% off your next purchase. Awesome. What a great idea. So I will definitely be ordering again, especially if she makes something that makes me go, ooh, ooh, ooh. And she totally does that. She does that all the time. Okay, so it'll have to be next year because I only buy, well, I can't say that because it might not be true. Okay, so it's all individually wrapped, which is super cool. So I think what I'll do is as I pull things out, I'll just put them up here on the piano so you can watch it. You can look at them. Is that going to work? Yeah, you can look at them while I go on to the next one. So I ordered some very specific things. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I like her little sticker. Look at that. Gypsyfae Creations. This one is Make-A-Wish. So it's like a birthday cake one. Oh, I might have to break a little hole in the side because I have to smell this. Ooh. I smell strawberries. And there's a mica line. Check out her mica line. Can you see that? Pretty. Okay, make a wish. Let's see if it comes true. Alright, so there's that one. Here, I'll turn it this way so you can... No, I'll turn it this way. There are so many soap makers. I want to see their stuff. I'm going to have fun. My husband thinks I'm crazy. I'll have to share some of these. This is the one I wanted for me. Just like every other author that makes something, there's always something that makes me go, okay, I have to have some of that. And so I'll choose them for my Lush haul. So this one was one she made. It's called Gypsy's Kiss. I think this is the one. Maybe not. Maybe this isn't the one. Yeah, this is the one. My favorite perfume and hers, one of my favorite perfumes, is Lolita Lompaka, and it smells pretty darn close. That I'm going to totally enjoy layering my fragrance with. You see the little apple on it? If you've ever bought Lolita Lompaka, it has an apple and lots of gold, and this has a beautiful drop swirl. I think it's a drop swirl. It might be in the pot swirl. But it's beautiful. You can go back and watch her video. She actually did a video here on YouTube when she made this one. It's it's a nice big bar. There's mica on top too. Oh, that's super pretty. That is super pretty. And a giant bar. It's a 6-ounce bar. It's big. It's nice and big. Okay, let's put the bigger one. Can I do these so you can see them? Okay, we're still good. I was able to buy 4 bars, I think. I think there was stuff on sale. I always love it when things are on sale, especially somebody that I wanted to buy from anyway. Okay, another big giant bar. My bars are this size too. I like that you could cut them in half or just have a big giant bar of soap. I really like having big bars of soap. I'm totally going to make little holes. Not sure. but I love the butterfly. This one is Flower Child. Oh, I love her soap dough flowers. Can you see those? Those are so cute, and that is the cutest little butterfly. So lots of soap dough creations, lots of swirls and drops. Love that. That is just gorgeous. I don't know about the scent. I don't know if I like the scent or not, but I love how it looks. It's beautiful. Absolutely. We're going to have to move them back a little bit, aren't we? Absolutely gorgeous. And the last one. Oh, and I'll tell you later. All right. There's an extra in there. Oh, this smells. Okay, this one's my favorite. Bar, hands down. Well, no. These two are my favorites of all of them. And it's because of the smell, but the designs are gorgeous too. But wow. This one is Raspberry Chocolates. Okay, I'm going to have to ask her where she got that scent. This is as good as Valerie Mosher's chocolate orange one, but different. That's so good. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Oh, and her piping's beautiful. Check out that piping. And there is a chocolate. One of those Nouveau chocolates. And a heart. That's amazing. And I love your stickers. Those are super cute. I'm going to put that one there. And last but not least, because I guess she knows me well enough, or everybody can use some of these. The bonus in this box are hugs and kisses. Thank you so much. I will enjoy these very much. Thank you so much. Very excited about everything I got. So I had 2 freebies, a soap sample, and kisses and hugs. I think they're hugs and kisses. I can't tell. The packaging's different in Canada, so that's pretty cool. Now I'm going to have to open this one now. Let's see if I like the scent of this. Oh, that's really strong. Yeah, that's nice. The Gilded Pear, definitely a pear scent. I like it. I like it. It's nice and strong. It has almost a green note. Very nice. Thank you so much, Tierrafae. Highly recommend this one. And this one. There's probably none left, guys. You're probably just out of luck because, you know, she creates like I do. When they're gone, and then something new comes in. But these are super duper cute too. I like this one too, but I guess I'm in the mood for chocolate because I can't eat chocolate. This one's got a strawberry, so if you love strawberries, also another very cute one. Make a wish. And this one, I'm not sure I like the fragrance. You're not going to like every fragrance, and I am really picky. But this one's very perfumey. Not perfumey. It's a soapy scent, so it's perfect for soap. And if you like soapy scents, there you go. But the design, that's probably one of my favorites. Look at it, looks like a bow. The butterfly looks like a bow. Thank you so much. Gypsyfae Creations, up-and-coming soapsy star. This is fan-freaking-tabulous. I'm going to use this one tonight. I'm not going to wait at all. When I do my bath bombs, you got to check it how many soaps I got on the go at one time. Hey, a girl's got to know, got to have a little variety. There we go. All right, and this is striped too. Can you see the stripes? See how perfect her layers are? That is awesome. All right, bye for now, everybody. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please go to Gypsyfae Creations and buy some of her wonderful stuff on her Etsy shop. She's always creative and always fun. She just made, I think, a little fairy house one, which is like her gingerbread house. Super cute. Check out her videos on how she makes them. You'll totally gotta buy, just like me. So this is Jen from Gentle Soap, so we'll see you next time. Click like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and definitely head over to Gypsyfae Creations and see what she's got to offer. We'll see you next time. Bye!